Hi, welcome to Rallyhood. Today I'm going to be taking you into an individual rally and showing you our signups feature on our navigation bar. I'm logged into our demo user account and I'm going to click into Volunteers of Community 10, which is our demo rally. From here, you can see that we have our navigation bar and I'm going to find signups. Signups can be used in a variety of ways for things like creating a signups list for volunteer shifts, potlucks, cookie booth reservations, or even polling and voting. It's a great way to get the members of your rally engaged and give them a space to feel heard. Let's begin by clicking on Budget Approval for 2021. Here you can see an example of using the sign-up feature for voting. As a participant, when I click Sign Up, this allows me to cast my vote. It will let me know if I've already signed up or voted to prevent duplication or overbooking. Choose your spot, click Save. Now you can see that you're signed up. If you want to retract this, you can click on it and remove your sign up. Let's go back to our signups landing page. Okay, let's create a new signup by clicking on New List. Put in a title, let's do Summer Camp. And description, join us for a fun-filled summer at camp. Publish, or you can save as draft. I'm going to publish, and then I'm going to locate summer camp, click on it, and now I can add my signups. So I will do week 1, week 2, let's do week 1, July 1 through 7. We'll do 30 spots available. You have the option to show names of assigned to admin only or to include your dates. And you can also have the option to do an all-day event or an all-day summer camp. We are doing overnight, so I'm going to do July 1st to July 7th, and we will begin at 8 a.m. and 8 a.m. pickup, or 7 a.m. pickup, so the next campers can come in the next week. Does this repeat? Not these dates, so I won't repeat, but you have the option to repeat daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly. You can add in a photo. So we're gonna do, let's see, I have this photo here, and you also have the option to upload a file. You can add in any file you please. Something along the lines of COVID guidelines or rules and regulations, packing, essentials. Okay, upload. And uploading an image in a file will give you a drop down to allow you to insert those images or files into either your gallery or into your files, into a folder. If you scroll to the very bottom, you can always choose not to copy this into your gallery or your files folder. I'm going to say do not copy on mine. Let's scroll down and save. So here, my week 1 summer camp signup has been created, and now there are 30 spots available. We can click on one of these spots. I'm going to take the very first one and I'm going to sign up. If you want to create week 2 or an additional sign up, you will then click on new sign up up here. You have the option to download the signups, and you also have the option to click into settings, which in turn will allow you to customize your label, which sits on your navigation bar. So if you don't want it to say signups and you want it to say something else, you want it to say polling. You can also change your icon, and you can set your permissions. All members may post here, all members may view, but only Rally admin may post here. Let's do all members may post and save it, and you'll see it change on the navigation bar. So there you go. Now it says polling. Let's click into another sign up. Let's go into camping supplies. And in here, I just want to show you that you have the option to share your signups with different rallies. So you can click one at a time or multiples, and always be sure to share. You can see the details of who created it, when it was created, the date and the time, and any additional sharing. This has not been shared outside of this rally, but if it had been, it would be shown here. By whom and additional date and time would be specified. And then you also have the option to edit. So you can edit your title, your description. You can change your status to drafted or active or archived. And you can also delete your signups. Always be sure to save it if you're going to edit. And then going back to our signups, or now our polling, you will see the full list of signups that you've created. From here, navigating back to your dashboard is very simple. Let's click on our Rallyhood icon in the left corner. And voila, we are back at our Rallyhood dashboard. Thank you again for watching this Rallyhood tutorial video. We hope that you found this information to be super helpful in your experience on Rallyhood. If you have any tech troubleshooting questions about our Rallyhood desktop or mobile app experience, please feel free to contact us at support@rallyhood.com.